Okay. So what we're gonna do is make this. We're gonna make it something like this. So you need first get a paper, and please smash that subscribe button before you get it. So I'll give you 10 seconds to get paper. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, are you done? Just get it. And now what you need to do is make a line on the top of here. And then make 5 lines going down. And then write whatever number you want, but I need to tell you something. It has to divide evenly into 6. You could pick 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, or 120. I'm just gonna pick 108, and then keep writing it on each of the top boxes. And then it should look like this. And then all you need to do is make 2 lines going that way. And then what you need to do is what it could divide into. Like if you're picking 12, you could it could divide it into 6. If you're doing 24, you have to figure out if it could divide into 6 or whatever number you want. And make sure to have a handy dandy calculator. And then write that answer like this. So 108 divided by 2 is 54. So just write two of these 54s. And then do the math here. And then do that. The numbers into each other. Like 50 plus 50. 5, wait, you need 5 plus 5. That gives you 10. And then 4 plus 4, that gives you 8. And then add those two.
Wow!
And add a 0. And add a 0. Make sure you add them. And then 100 plus 8 will give you 108. Ta-da! It's 108, but we need to do something else. 108 divided by 3. That will give you 36. I'm mistaken that. And it will give you 36, and it will give you 36. And then a 6 man. And then add the 3 3s, that gives you 9. The 3 6s, that gives you 18. And like this one, add a 0. And then 90 plus 18 will give you the answer, 108. That's not all. We still need to do 108 divided by 4. 27, 27, 27, and 27. And then, once you add those all together, 27, 27, 27. Make sure to do the same thing that I'm doing. And then 27. Just add the 4 20s. The 4 20s. But from the 2, you carry a 0. And then times it 4, like we did 4 times 27. You do 24 times. 2 times 4 is 8. 0 times 4 is 0. So it gives you 80. So now we have, now we have 80. We need to do 7 times 4. 7 times 4. No, not 7. 4. So now what you need to do is 7 times 3. That gives you 21. And then 21 plus 4, carry a 3, that gives you 28. 28. So 80 plus 28 will give you the following answer, 108. And then 108 cannot divide into 5s, so we're just going to move on to 6s. So, how many 6s? 18, so 6 times 18. So you write 6. So you don't write that. You just write these 18s. So now you do like I did. And then you remember at the beginning when I said you could do whatever you want, whatever number. It has to divide evenly into 6. And then that equals so that equals that. So we're gonna look at the ones that give. We're gonna look at these ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6 times 1. That gives you 6. And then carry a 0. That gives you 60. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. 10. 6 eighths. That gives you 48. So 60 plus 48 will equal the same answer, 108. And that's not all. We need to move on to the 9s. There's going to be more 9s. There's 12 9s. So 9, 18, 27, 36. So now we have 12 9s. And then 9. I just love counting by 9s. So another 9 jumped into the pool. So now we can't do any of that because it will equal all of these answers. It will still equal 108. And then the last one, finally, it's gonna be like 12 times 9. It will be 9 times 12. So now, if you're smart like me, I'm only 7 years old, and I learned 25 times 36 when I think I was 6, but now I'm 7. And then what you're gonna do, the same thing. No. Now, you have all of those 12s. One jumped into the kiddie pool. So, we'll need to do it on here. There's 9 ones, that's 9. But you need to carry a 0 all the time. So then, you see how many 2s there are. There's 9. Like the beginning we did 90 plus 18. We're gonna do it again. And that gives us 108. But it's not over. We still need to do this. So we did the 12s, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Maybe 24. How many 24s are in 108? All right, there's none. There's just 4 and something left over. But what we're gonna do instead is 25, 26, 27. I already did that. 27 4s. So we're gonna do that. 4. I'm done. So I counted there's 27. So now what we need to do, what's half of 27? If you're smart, you'll know this. It's in the 0.5s. So 26 divided by 2 is 13 plus a half is 13 and a half. But we're doing 108. 27 4s. So you write 27 4s. One jumped into the kiddie pool. So now when you're done, you should have 27 4s. If it's under 10, you can't do the math, but it will always give you 108, right? And then what else should we do? Now we haven't done 18 6s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Made a mistake. You can always fix mistakes. So now we have 18. No, you don't have to do it. Like I said, if it's under 10, you can't do the math. But I'll just finish writing all of these. You only need half. And then they'll always give you 108. And then what else? Could I do? I've done 254, 336. What else could I do? 108 ones. Yeah. Thanks. I'm gonna finish how many there are. Just wait. It will take a long time. Now I have 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107. Wait, I want to check how much the battery is. How much? So, it's been 15 minutes of this, so we're gonna still do it. We need to still do it, so that equals, I'll always give you the answer, 108. Next I was gonna plan on doing the twos. There will be 54 twos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. What? 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. And I just realized that I have around 72 subscribers. 72 views. If you don't view, a spider will crawl on your face while you're sleeping. So now how many do I have? 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. I'm already running out of space. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. I finished 54 twos. And then all of those twos, why are a lot of them swimming in the kiddie pool? And then, pow, it gives you 108, but why? What? I'll just continue. So, I think we've done all of them, but let me check. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There might be more to this. So, oh, I forgot. 108 divided by 5. I don't know that. 108 divided by 5 is... I'll just write the answer. Because it's... How many fives? 5. Horrible 5. 5. A lot of fives will equal. Wait. There's... Just wait. So now we have, see the answer 21.6. I rated 5 of that. Yeah. It will always equal 108. But we still need to do more. See, there's one more. Just 108. Just 108 times 1 will give you 108. If you're not watching the video, you're still gonna have a spider crawling on you, but this time it's gonna crawl up your nose. That's all for me. Thank